Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Caymanas logistics project. Now this is a massive development that the government is undertaking in the Caymanas area. They plan to build like a mini city. So the government announced recently that they're going to break ground for the project in March 2025. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this project. Ground will be broken for the Caymanas logistics project before March next year, says Prime Minister Dr. Ground will be broken for the Caymanas logistic project before March 2025, says Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness. Dr. Holness provided an update on the initiative during the Urban Development Corporation breakfast session with stakeholders from various sectors. Caymanas is going to become the new center of logistics in Jamaica. The truth is we have been talking about the Caymanas logistic project for more than 10 years, but I'm pleased to report that the Port Authority will be breaking ground on it, the Prime Minister said. The Port Authority will be developing the entire acreage reserved for the Caymanas development project, but will be specifically constructing 60 acres, and I'm told that we're scheduled to break ground in February 2025, before March, he said. He noted that the project will be complemented by the UDC's Raintree Commercial Complex project. So you will now begin to see the materialization of our logistics hub coming into being. Again, the work of the UDC and the Port Authority is spurring growth in Jamaica, Dr. Holness said. The Raintree Commercial Complex project is being spearheaded by the UDC and will provide lots for commercial and light industrial purposes with all essential amenities in place. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. We will keep you guys updated on this development and the Raintree development. Alright guys, have a good day.